Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at NutriBullet 900 series, which is also 900 watts. NutriBullet 900 series supercharged nutrient extractor, more power from more nutrition. Alright, so this is how the box looks. So let's open it up. So I purchased this in Amazon. This was purchased in May 2021. So let's see how the product is. Okay, so when you open it, you see welcome to Team NutriBullet. We're excited to have you in the mix. Time to unbox the benefits of better nutrition. All right. Okay. Once you open, you have this user guide. Okay, nicely sealed inside a cover. That's a user guide. Okay, let's keep it aside. And then you have come out nicely packed. Cool. Let's keep the box aside. Oh, there you go. So this is how the product looks like. And then there is a cable. Yeah, see that? And then there is a cover. Yeah. Okay, so let's keep that aside. Let's open this up. Okay. The box looks nice and heavy, so it's sturdy, so it protects the device correctly, I guess. So there's a cup. Yeah, can go full. Okay, let's keep that aside. And then you have a jar, kind of a juice cup, I believe. Yeah, I think this goes. No, not this. This goes. Oh no, not this. I don't know how it fits. But let's figure that out later. Okay, and then you have actual blade and the motor. This is how it looks. Okay, you see that? That's the blade. Very close look. And this is how it looks in the back. And that's the cover. So I believe you just have to screw it like this before you start making your milkshake. So this is the quantity basically. This is the quantity you will have, I believe. Okay, let's keep that aside. And then comes the, oh my god, that's heavy. That's nice and heavy. Oh, it's very shiny. You can see that it's super shiny. NutriBullet. It has a golden texture and look. So there's instruction here. Household use only. Usage domestic uniquement. Okay, and there are some safety precautions. There's kind of a ventilator here. So this is how it looks in the back. Okay, it's nice and heavy. So let's see how this one fits. So okay, no, okay, it goes. How does it fit? there's no instruction on how it fits. Okay, there's some instructions here. Caution, do not open until blade stop. Do not blend hot or carbonated ingredients. There's attention in some other language. Okay. So there's a caution here. Sharp blades, do not remove the cup blade assembly until blades completely stop moving. Never place the blade assembly on motor base unless assembled to the cup. Okay. But how do I screw this in? Oh, okay. There's something here. Okay, there's instructions here as well. Never place blade on power base unless assembled to cup. Okay, different languages. Okay, there's another caution. Do not press switch by hand. Unplug power base before cleaning with soft cloth. Do not immerse in water. Okay. Okay, all that is fine, but how does it fit? Oh, I'm not sure. I think it doesn't fit. Probably it's like this, and you just have to hold it. Is that the case? I don't know. I need to check the user guide. But yeah. So this jar, I think, is just a measuring jar, where you have a max. There's caution here as well. Do not open until blade stop. Do not blend hot or carbonated ingredients. Okay, I'm not sure. Does the cup go in here? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, it goes. No, it doesn't. Sorry. I think we can open this. Yeah, so we can actually open this cup, and this also kind of fits in. Okay, so if I open this blade, okay, so both the cups looks different. There's a size difference. So, and you see all this small dots here. So when you actually fix it, you see the small dot which goes in this slot. So I think we can use this as well. So this gives you a better quantity than this cup. Yeah, so which is a smaller cup, probably used for different purposes. And I think both these cups will fit this. So basically kind of a jar. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, it fits perfectly. Yeah. So okay, so that's clear, but I'm not sure how this one gets fixed. I think we need to hold. Probably I need to check the user manual. So there's also, I think, once you remove this handle, you can also use this cover if you want to store it. So let's say you want to store a milkshake, you can just close it, and I believe you can store it as for milkshakes. So that's one. Let's see if it fits the other one. Yeah, it fits the other one as well. Well and good. And I believe we have this piece, kind of a jug model. This is another cap. So yeah, there you go, it fits. And then kind of a jug model where you open, and pour. So yeah, this also looks good. Let's close this. There's a lock actually. You can hear the sound. Okay, which is good. Okay, so there's the instructions to fix the cup. So it says turn the cup upside down, place it onto the motor base, gently push and twist. So let's try that. So this is the one. So place it on top, gently push and twist. Oh, there it is. It's locked. Cool. That's it. Makes sense. Okay, so there it is. These are the small, white ones which actually, goes in, and then it gets locked underneath here. So that's how it gets fixed. Cool. So what you have to do is, All right, keep the blades here, or I think, okay, once you fix the blades like this, yeah, the blades are fixed, no gaps, okay, and then you keep it like this, push it and twist. That's it. That's how you set it up. And then you put the mixture in, whatever it is, strawberry, mangoes, and then grind it for your milkshake. This is the plug. It says fused. Okay, and then once you open it, Unirise, that's the watts, 13 amps, 250 old, and there it is, made in China. Okay, so that's it, friends. That's NutriBullet for you. This is how the product looks like. I will use this and I will let you know how the product is. This has very good reviews. It's a known product, NutriBullet, for milkshakes. Very easy to use. You can use these um, in dishwasher as well. So I went through a lot of reviews before buying it, so it's obviously a good product, but let me use it and I will let you know how the product is. That's all for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.